If you like the content to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll keep this content coming on a daily basis. Please support our channel. Looking at a 2020 Lincoln Aviator Reserve. It's the fully loaded model. Sustained some collision damage here to the right front. As you can see, the bumper is damaged, the headlight, the fender. We replaced the lower control arm on the front suspension so that it will drive. The unit does run and lot drive. Doesn't look like the damage went into the rocker at all. The door is offline. The vehicle does run and drive. No damage to the roof, no buckles. Take a look inside. Really nice. No airbags deployed. 7-passenger. Take a look at the front. This vehicle does start 8,600 miles. As you can see, none of the airbags are deployed. It's being sold with a salvage title. Nice white color. Got the LED lights, xenon lights. Full package. Let's take a look under the hood. As you can see, everything's in good shape. Your plastic cover here. The motor sitting in place. No damage to the strut towers. I don't see any signs of structural damage. Radiator is good, condenser is good. Really nice builder. Windshield is intact. Take a look at the damage again. You might have some damage to the front radiator support. Pretty nice vehicle. I'm gonna take some pictures of it today, post it on the website. Give us a call if you're interested. Thanks for watching.